guys, it's Angel Hawks. This is from Unhinged Creative Plan. And today I'm going to be working in my daily, my Plum Paper Daily. This is my new planner. I got it to start in December so I could get used to it. And so I've been using it for a while, and now we are in January. So I am ready to decorate the 1st and 2nd of January, and I have a brand new sticker kit from Unhinged Creative Plan, and I'm going to be using that, so very excited about that. This is called Winter Friends, and it has these cute little birds and deer and bunnies and beautiful florals. And so this is the first sheet. It is available in digital to print and cut yourself, or in print and ship, where I will print and cut it, and send it to you. Formatted for the Plum Paper 7x9 Daily. So you have a choice of 4 different patterns of headers, and you can also use them as washi because I put the days separate. So January 1st is Saturday, so we're going to start with Saturday. And then you can put your words anywhere you want to on your header. And the 2nd is Sunday. Put it on this side. All right, this one's crooked. A little straighter. Okay, so I put my box or my header down. Now you've got some choices. I've got some thinner washi that you could put all the way across or just halfway across to cover up the header lines. I'm going to use this to cut my washi. And I'm going to put this one all the way across. All right. Then you get a sheet of boxes, and these boxes up here will cover up your 3 priorities list, and these boxes here will cover up this shaded area. Voila. Then you've got checklists if you want to use those over these dots. And then you've got single line and double line boxes as well. Then you've got a whole sheet of deco. And this is the weekend, so I'm going to use the weekend. I think I'm going to put in this box. There, I like that. And then you've got Stay Wild, Life is Precious, and you've got these cute little deer and bunnies. I like this one. He looks kind of cheeky. And let's see, back on our header sheet, we have, not only do you have your days a week, but you have a bunch of titles that you can use. So I like to put schedule and verse and to do up here. And notes. Cute. Okay, let's move on to the next page. So on this one, let's use this dark washi. And I'll use this light washi up at the top. I really like buying print and cut kits because I can print as many as I want and use it over and over for the cost. And it just costs me the cost of paper, sticker paper. So I really enjoy that. Let's use this one. I thought these florals looked really wintry. Put that one back on there. And then let's use this other light one. Okay, now let me get my boxes. We'll use the bird and bunny one here. You see the little bird and the bunny. And then we'll use the same, the bird and the bunny at the bottom too. And then still the weekend, so might as well use it. And I like the little deer. I'll put him down here. Let's use the check boxes. I like the lavender ones. We'll use the darker ones over here. All right. That looks pretty darn cute. I'm excited. In fact, let's use some florals over here in this box. I can still write in the box, but I get a floral up there. Oh, and I need some more words over here. So I've got, once again, my verse here, my to-do up there, schedule, and notes at the bottom. And then you've got plenty of others. You've got goals, plans, priority, to buy, top 3. Yeah, those are the ones that I didn't use. And you have a lot of washi tape that you could use instead of the skinny. You could have done the headers. And then I have headers for the rest of the week that I can use as well. So thanks for spending some time with me today on Plan With Me. I'm going to look at my schedule and see what boxes I need to use for the week. Actually, this is just these 2 days, the weekend, and I don't have anything planned. So I'm just going to write in things that I want to get done. I don't have any actual scheduled things. So it's a great weekend. It's a free weekend. It's just whatever I choose to do. So I'm going to write in some to-do items, and we'll call that a spread. Thanks for spending some time with me. I hope you got a great idea. And go check out the Unhinged Creative Plan Etsy shop in the description below for the sticker kit. And I will talk to you later. Until next time, be blessed.